The water is cycling over and over and over. It's super, super duper annoying. The first thing you have to do is turn your water off. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. Just gonna tighten it all the way till you can't tighten it anymore. Okay, and stop. You don't want to do too much just till it doesn't go anymore. So I took the lid off. We're gonna change this thing. After you turn the water off, you can just lift here to drain some of the water out, so you're not gonna be putting your hand in all that water. It's supposedly clean anyway, but we need to take this thing off, this black thing, okay? It's clipped on here. It's called a flapper. Okay, I'm not really strong, so just bear with me. You just kind of pry it off. So it's loose here, and then you're gonna take it, unclip it from this thing here, like that. This is a flapper. Okay. This is old. You see how it's corroded? It's warped. That's why it's not sitting flush on there and keeping the water inside. Okay, I have a replacement flapper. This apparently is a luxurious toilet. It's a Toto. It's Japanese design toilet. Okay, so we're just gonna take him out of the pack. See, nice flat. It's so brand new. I'm crazy for you. I'm gonna hook it up to here. That little clip. There we go. I clipped on. And we're gonna set it on here. Okay. I'm being so careful because I don't want to break my nails. Then you just clip it, just pop the black clips right on top of that white bar. Okay, so this chain, you need to trim it a little bit because otherwise it's not gonna flush right, like put water into the bowl the right way if you have this kind like here. So you have to unattach it and take this off here. You need this clip. Okay, you don't lose that one. And then you need to cut a couple links off. So, and like cut maybe 2 or 3 everything. And squeeze it. Cut. And I'm gonna drop the chain into the water. Let's just take a couple from here. Now we put this clip back on here. You know, funky with the nails. See on here. We'll put a lip down, and then we're gonna put it back on here. Now let's see. Yeah, that will feel good when you flush, like you're doing something. Now we have to turn the water back on. Okay, so now turn the water back on. Remember, lefty loosey. Put it on. It's gonna sound scary, but you're just gonna need to turn it a little bit up. There you go. Now it's flowing. Now the test. We wait 1 minute to see that it doesn't leak like it was. It was only taking a minute or less to drain before. I guess a couple more seconds. See, this is so easy. Anybody can do this, even me, even people, if you have long fingernails, it's okay. You won't break them. And that flapper, it's a luxury flapper. So it was $14.48, but other toilets, the flapper is much cheaper, okay? And that looks okay. Now it's been a minute. Oh my gosh, I got scratches from something. Okay, that goes this way. Got Velcro. It still doesn't fit on here very well, but you know, I'm not the inventor. Okay. And done. Thank you for watching my video.